Jaxx Liberty Wallet app. The pros, the cons. The Jaxx Liberty Wallet app once stood as one of the most popular multi-crypto wallets in the world. But in a fast-changing crypto landscape, is it still a solid choice? Let's dive into the pros, the cons, and the truth about what Jaxx Liberty offers today. Starting with the pros, Jaxx Liberty's biggest advantage is multi-asset support. It allows you to manage over 80 cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and dozens of ERC20 tokens all in one place. For users with diverse portfolios, that's incredibly convenient. Another strength is its cross-platform compatibility. You can use Jaxx Liberty on mobile, desktop, or even browser extensions, and all your data syncs seamlessly through a 12-word recovery phrase. This makes switching between devices effortless. The wallet also shines in user experience. Its interface is colorful, intuitive, and beginner-friendly, showing your portfolio, market data, and recent transactions at a glance. Security-wise, Jaxx Liberty keeps things local. Your private keys are stored directly on your device, never on Jaxx servers, giving you full control over your assets. That's a big plus for anyone who values decentralization. However, the cons are important to understand. The most notable one is that Jaxx Liberty is not open source. While it's built by a reputable company, users can't fully verify the code, which limits transparency. Another downside is no two-factor authentication or advanced hardware wallet integration. This can make it less secure compared to wallets like LedgerLave or MetaMask with hardware support. In the past, there have also been isolated reports of bugs and syncing delays, especially when managing large token lists. Lastly, Jaxx doesn't support staking or DeFi, which modern crypto users increasingly expect. In conclusion, Jaxx Liberty is great for beginners or casual users who want an easy, all-in-one wallet for multiple assets. But for those seeking maximum security or advanced blockchain features, there are stronger options. The surprising truth? Jaxx Liberty shines in simplicity, but simplicity always comes with trade-offs.